Hi, in this video we will show how to modify an existing project and generate a synchronization SQL script only for the modifications we have made. This project was created by loading an existing structure from a database. Our goal is to make the following 3 common modifications. In the customer table, we rename the name column to first name and the surname column to last name. We will also add column middle name to this table. Next, we modify the address table by removing the country column. We will also add a new table country to the project and create a relationship to the address table. The last change will be to edit the vendor table, in which we will change the parameter for the company name column from the value 50 to 150. Click on the customer table and rename the columns in the right pane. Then add a new column middle name. Move it to the desired position in the table. The modification of the customer table is complete. Now let's modify the address table. We will remove the country column and also add a new table to the diagram. In the right pane, enter the table name and add the name and code columns. The next step is to add a relationship between the country and address tables. In the relationship properties, we set the options for referential integrity. The last change we make is in the vendor table. Click on the company name column and change the parameter in the right pane. Now the changes are made and let's see how to generate the synchronization SQL script. Click the Advanced button and select the Generate Synchronization Script option. A new form will open, on which we select the database connection. The connection detail will be displayed and also the settings where we can choose how to perform the comparison and how to generate the script. Now we click on the Load Database and Detect Differences button. Luna Modeler will run the comparison against the database and display a summary of the detected changes. Let's take a look at the individual entries. We will start with the customer table. In the columns section, we can see the changes. Since we have renamed 2 columns, we can use a mapping. For the first name column, we click on the mapping button. This will open a window in which we can select the target column. In this case, we will map the first name column to the name column. Similarly, we will map the last name column to surname. The middle name column has been newly added, which is also indicated by the green icon. The second change was to add the country table and modify the address table. These changes were also successfully detected. In the address table, the country column has been removed, which is also indicated by the icon. We can view the detail of the change simply by clicking on the section we want to expand or collapse. The last change was a modification in the vendor table. To see all the details, just click on the Expand All button on the toolbar. To close the detail, we can click on the Collapse All button. Another way to change the view is to use different groupings of items. We can group items by object type, difference type, or leave them without grouping. Now let's take a look at the generated SQL script. Let's click on the SQL script tab, where the list of SQL statements is displayed. Here we see the statements that modify the customer table. Also the statements that create the country table and modify the address table and create a constraint for the relationship we defined between the country and address tables. At the end we see a statement to modify the company name column in the vendor table. Here we have changed the parameter from a value of 50 to a value of 150. You can copy or save this script and then run it in your preferred database management tool. Please note, executing this script may result in changes to your data, including potential data loss. That's why the script should only be executed in a test environment. And always create a complete backup of your database and associated systems before executing the script. Luna Modeler can also be used to generate HTML reports that contain a summary of detected changes in an SQL script. To generate the documentation, just click on the report button and select the style and folder where to save the report. In the report, you can open and close sections with changes and also use the standard find function, which is available in all browsers. If the script execution was successful, our project should match the database schema state. We can easily check if this is the case by running Project Update. Click Advanced in the main toolbar and select Project Update. A new window will open where we select the same database connection. The difference detection should show the message "No difference is found." For more information visit www.datinson.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.